What's good, YouTube? It's your boy gavofpairanormal back with another custom video. Today we're working on a pair of Air Jordan 5 Jade Horizons. Yes, I did mess this pair up, but I found a way to fix it. So stick to this video. Let me know what you think of the final result. Let's get into it.
Enter the paranormal.
Okay guys, so as you can see, the first steps be removing these laces, acetone in the shoe, and off camera I'm going to put down our adhesion promoter. And this is where I made my first mistake, which is using suede dye on this leather of the 5's. Now I can say the reason why I did this is because that leather was so buttery. I thought that the fibers and the hairs were thick enough to receive the dye. And that's where the next mess up came through. I didn't tape off the inside of the eyelid to keep it from getting on any other part of the shoe. So once I realized that the suede dye was wiping off of the leather, I came back in using a damp cloth to wipe away any excess. Now we're going to use Angela's So Bright as well as another black leather dye mixture to paint in these nettings, as well as the tongue. Alright, so next up we're going to dye the sock liner.
Hey, just popping in real quick, remind you guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We're on our way to 500 subscribers. From there, I'll be asking you guys to tell me what I customize next, because I had a community tab. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that so we can make this thing happen.
Okay, so now that the sock liner is complete, we're going to move down to the midsole, starting with the pink base coat to prepare for the red paint that will be coming afterward. Now we're going to place down the Volt Green dots that will help enhance this splatter on the shark teeth. Next up, we'll be painting in the Jordan logo, as well as using that same paint to fill in our stencil. Alright, so now all we have to do is dye the soles and dye our laces.
Hey, thank you guys for sticking to the end of this video. Without further ado, I'm going to show you guys the final product, as well as give you the motivational quote. It's only human to make mistakes. You always have a choice to learn from it, let go, and forgive yourself and start over. It's been your boy gavofpairanormal with another custom video. See you guys next time. Peace.